In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn a photo into a flyer in Affinity. We'll start simple and build a clean, print-ready layout using a single image and some clear, readable text, all inside Affinity Photo. First, open Affinity Photo. Once it loads, we'll create the canvas for the flyer. Go to File, then New. In the presets, choose a common flyer size. A 4 if you're working with the 210 by 297 millimeter standard, or letter if you need 8.5 by 11 inches. Pick the orientation that suits your photo, usually portrait. If you plan to print, set the DPI to 300 so your text and image stay sharp. When everything looks right, click Create to open your blank document. Next, bring in your photo. Head to File and select Place. Choose your image, then click once on the canvas to drop it in, or click and drag to define the size. Use the Move tool to position the photo. To scale without distortion, drag a corner handle while holding Shift. Aim to fill the page without cutting off important details, and keep a bit of breathing room near the edges so your text has space to stand out. If snapping is enabled, you'll feel it guide the image to the center for a clean alignment. Now add your text. Select the text tool in the toolbar. Click once for a headline, or click and drag to create a box for longer details. Type your main title first, then adjust the font, weight, size, and alignment from the context options so it's bold and readable. Choose a color that contrasts with the photo. Light text over darker areas and darker text over lighter areas usually works best. If your background is busy, move the text to a calmer part of the image and increase letter spacing slightly for clarity. That's it. You've placed your photo, sized it neatly, and added clear, compelling text. Turning a simple picture into a polished flyer you can customize further as needed.